Want your garden plants to grow fast and healthy without chemicals? Discover 5 organic gardening tips to help your plants grow fast. Before we dive in, let's think. Have you ever felt stressed and needed a place to unwind? In Europe, where living spaces are shrinking, small gardens aren't just about plants, they're therapy for the soul. A recent study found that just 10 minutes of greenery a day can significantly reduce stress. Plus, with spring around the corner in March, now's the perfect time to plan your small garden. Whether it's a balcony, backyard, or room corner, we can make it something special. First idea, take your garden upwards with hanging plants. This is a perfect way to maximize vertical space, especially if you've only got a few square meters. Use hanging pots, wicker baskets, or even repurpose old plastic bottles. Try plants like ivy, geraniums, or herbs like basil. They're both pretty and useful. All you need are hooks, rope, and a sunny spot. I saw someone in Paris turn a 2 square meter balcony into a green jungle with just 10 hanging pots. you can do it too. Next up, vertical gardens, a trend taking Europe by storm. Instead of spreading out, build your garden up a wall. Picture a vibrant green wall with ferns, air plants, and tiny flowers. It's like living art. You can buy a wooden frame or DIY one from old pallets, adding fabric pockets for plants. This isn't just beautiful, it cleans the air too. A friend in Berlin made a 1 square meter wall garden, and now it's the centerpiece of her flat. Final idea, create a multifunctional garden corner. Who says a small garden can't be both gorgeous and practical? Try a bench with storage underneath, surrounded by low pots of lavender or small shrubs. Add a foldable table for tea, and you've got a spot to relax, work, and grow plants all at once. I saw a design like this in the Netherlands. A 3 square meter corner became both a garden and an outdoor living room. Toss in some LED lights for nighttime use. gardens in a multifunctional corner. To keep your small garden thriving, water just enough, about twice a week in February, more as spring kicks in. Use organic fertilizer for healthy plants, and don't forget to trim regularly. Which idea do you love most? Try it out and let me know. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more amazing garden ideas. See you next time.